Are you worried someone else might be using your Webex account? Maybe you logged in on a friend's laptop or a hotel business center and forgot to sign out. It happens to all of us. But the good news is, you can fix it fast. Learn how to see and remove all active sessions in under a minute. I'll walk you through the exact steps to review and sign out of any unwanted sessions. Let's start by signing into your account. All right, so head over to Webex and sign in just like you normally would. Use your work email and password, or whatever single sign-on method your company uses. Once you're in, you'll land on your main dashboard. Now, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a vertical sidebar. Go ahead and click on your profile. That's usually your name or your initials in a little circle. Click that. Once your profile menu opens up, you're going to scroll down. Keep scrolling until you see a section labeled Security. It's usually near the bottom of that list. And here's the really important part. Right inside that security section, you're looking for the line that says Signed In Sessions. It's right there. Click the button that says Manage Sessions. Now, at this point, Webex might take a moment to load a new page or a pop-up window. Don't worry, this is normal. Just give it a second to pull up all the information. So now, here's where we see everything. This page shows you a list of every device and browser where your Webex account is currently signed in. You might see your work computer, your phone, a tablet, or even an old browser session you forgot about. Each entry usually shows you the device type and the operating system, like Windows 10 or Mac OS, along with the approximate location and the last time it was active. This is the list you use to figure out what's safe and what needs to go. Go through that list carefully. Once you spot a session you don't recognize or one you just don't need anymore, select it. You might need to click on the device name or check a little box next to it. It depends on the view you're on. Then you'll see an option to either sign out or remove. Go ahead and click that button for the session you want to end. Now, be aware that if you sign out of your current device, you'll have to log back in immediately. So just double-check you're not accidentally signing yourself out of this session. Give Webex a moment to process that request. You might see a loading spinner or a quick confirmation message pop up. Just a few seconds of patience here. Once it finishes, you should get a clear confirmation that your signed-in sessions have been managed successfully. The old session will disappear from the list, and you're good to go. And that's really all there is to it. You've gone from wondering who might have access to your account to confidently locking down all your devices. In my experience, this is one of the quickest and most effective ways to keep your Webex account secure. So next time you borrow someone's computer or use a public kiosk, just remember this little trick. It takes less than a minute and gives you total peace of mind. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.